You have to say hello to everyone. You have to say hello to everyone. You have to say hello to everyone, baby. Hey, look at the camera. And hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Say your name. Come on. Hello, everyone. You have to say hello, everyone. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
I'm AG. Lubitos. Asami.
May mga short dito.
This is my youngest boy. He has autism. Autism ano yan? Spectrum. ASD autism. ASD. Autism. ASD. Autism spectrum disorder. But then, may pogi-pogi pa rin siya. Ay. You have to say hello. You have to say everyone. Hello. Love you all, guys.
Andito pa rin bag ko?
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. No, that's dirty. Don't do that. Don't do that. Dami dahil. Hello, everyone. Wait, hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
I love you all. So, siya po si AG Asami, ang aking pinakabunsong anak. Then, yun, may ASD siya. Autism Spectrum Disorder. 9 years old na siya, pero yung kanyang brain is siguro nasa 3 to 4 years old pa. Yan. So, forever siyang maging baby sa amin. Pero this is my luckiest baby forever. Yeah, I love you, Mama. Very much. How old are you? Nansay desu ka? Nansay desu ka? Nansay desu ka? Onamai wa nan desu ka? Onamai wa? 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 Nansay desu ka? Nansay desu ka?
Nansay desu ka?
Kyusai desu?
Kyusai desu.
I love you all. Say I love you all to everyone. I love you all to everyone. I love you all to everyone. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'm AG. Ite. Hello, I'm AG. Ite. Hello, I'm AG.
No.
Palangga ni Mama. This is my forever baby and this is only my wish sa buong buhay ko na sana kakayanin niya lahat ng struggle na mangyayari sa kanyang life. Then, I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You have to say bye-bye. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Say bye-bye. Bye. You have to say bye-bye. Bye. Thank you, guys.